everyone, welcome back to Aura Creatives. Thank you so much for stopping by and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. So for today's video, magkakaroon ko ng separate unboxing for my mechanical keyboard. Kasi nga, yung in-unbox ko before is isinauli ko due to mali yung ipinadala na sa akin. So, let's unbox it! This is the Fantech. This is the Fantech Maxpower MK853 mechanical keyboard. Oh my god, it's so nice! So, susubukan natin siya using my laptop. I just have to try this one just to make sure na walang problema yung product. Kasi na-accept ko na siya. Kasi nga, di ba, matagal na itong mag-deliver sa Quezon City and then pinag-deliver ko dito. So, I just want to make sure that the product is working properly. Let's try, because I'm so excited now. Oh, this is so cute and beautiful. Oh no. Gosh, it's so cute. May maganda pa, oh. Fantech. Oh my gosh. It's so amazing. Wait lang. Oh my gosh, ang bigat. Like, feeling ko nasa mga, I don't know, but unlike yung isa, it's so magaan. Ito, meron. This is for. Okay, parang talagyan siya sa, ito ba ito? If I'm not mistaken. Yes, I'm right. Okay, let's try. Have to make sure that it's working. Oh, ito ba? Okay, let's try that. Alright. Yun. Oh! Can you see that? So nice. Sige na. So, let's wait. Bawa na naman.
Again, this is a Fantech Maxpower MK853 mechanical keyboard with total of 104 total keys, blue and red switch, full keys anti-ghosting, RGB Gradient of 22 modes, and 50 million keys lifetime. You can also control the lighting modes through the keyboard function keys. Let me go ahead and walk you through real quick for the step-by-step procedure on how to download our manual software from our official website of www.fantechworld.com. Once nasa website na kayo, all you have to do is just to scroll down a little bit and look for the word download and then click on Booster Driver Software. Automatically, you are now free to download it and install it. Actually, I enjoyed exploring so much dito sa color effects kasi ang dami niyang options. I can try fixed on, custom mode, breathing, push fade, wave, flutter, star trail, collision, ripple, push fill, follow fade, push flutter, tornado, storm scan, snake, a star glitter, crossfire brush, and neon wave. I prefer this one rather than clicking on the keyboard commands kasi ang daming color effects dito so far. And so after trying all the color effects, I finally decided to choose push fill. The reason why is that feeling ko mas tipid to sa kuryente and sa lighting. Kasi once you click on one key, the light starts from that key and automatically mag-fill ng light ang buong keyboard. And it's so nice. I super love it.
So, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like it. And sana nakatulong na. If in case you wanted to buy a mechanical keyboard, I highly recommend this. As I said a while ago, this is a Fantech mechanical keyboard MK853. So, marami na nag-reviews nito. I just wanted to use their product because it's quality product. Again, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and have a good one.